Okay, welcome back, guys. Today we are going to check on live polling of Lipa and M-PESA integration into our Laravel system. So this will be our portal. We'll be sending our STK push. Remember, this one can also be integrated with e-commerce checkouts, or we'll be pulling like the total amounts and populate it here. Then you'll send the STK push here. Then we'll be having dashboard which we can be able to check on the transactional history. We'll be able to filter either based on status or based on result codes or whichever was be cancelled by user, etc. Remember, whenever you send an STK push to Daraja portal, that is Safaricom, the response comes with, the callback response comes with response codes. That is either status of being 1032 cancelled by user, successful, or maybe failed based on either timeout or network issue. Then we'll be also having a live polling session. We'll be receiving the STK pushes automatic, so we can enable our sound. So whenever a payment comes, we can receive a notification. So we are going to test out on this. So let me test with maybe 1 shilling. Remember, the system is also validated. Remember, Safaricom STK pushes to work, the phone number field should be well validated. For instance, if you key in with a positive this way, Safaricom will not send the STK push. So it should be either this way or start with 0. So I have validated the phone fields. So for instance, if you send this to come back, the phone field is required. If you send it this way, also validated, the phone format is invalid. So let's send our STK push probably for a valid line like this. Let me cancel. Yeah, and you can also see the status here is live, it failed. And if I will refresh this and come and search here on 636, we should be seeing 2 records. We can also swap in between successful, failed, and everything else here. So I'm going to refresh this so that I can test again. Okay. And then boom, this time it allowed. My phone is reachable. So from my phone, I will receive the STK push. I'll key in my PIN. So I'm waiting. It has come. So I can now enter my PIN. Once I enter my PIN, this one will change. It is being successful. Then check what happens. Well, you see, I received it, and also this one changed. Is successful with the confirmation code from Safaricom. Can also check here successful ones, maybe horizontal code successful one. You see this way, this code, the same code here. So I received this working. So this is how to integrate Lipa and M-PESA successful into a Laravel application. For source codes, you can always contact me. Thank you.